Alright y'all, what is going on? Welcome to another episode of RAA today. Gonna keep it short and sweet. It is blowing about 30 miles per hour right now, so fishing on the kayak, on a boat, or even like inlets and beaches, it ain't happening. So what I'm doing is I'm fishing these backwater areas, culvert pipe areas, creeks, ponds, whatever. Snook, tarpon, redfish, bass if I fish ponds. But mainly we're going to be fishing like saltwater areas. So if you guys are new to the channel and you like what you're seeing, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, like the video, comment, share, do all that good YouTube stuff. But yeah, it is super windy out, so we got to deal with it. But let's go do some fishing. And they really stinks. I haven't fished these little areas I'm fishing in a while, but it looks like they just cut everything down, honestly. Wasn't on camera, but first fish is a little snook. If this is what's in here, I'm gonna be upset. I want your mom, and thought I was recording, but I wasn't. But hey, it's all right. First fish is a little snook. This water is a lot more shallower than I thought it was before. There's another fish. Little snook again. Guess it's all babies here now, I guess. I don't know. It's not a good sign. I want bigger. Oh, oh, one tried to swipe at it. Look at that, there's a couple trying to swipe at it. Dude, there's a good tarpon right here. I'm gonna catch him, he's hungry. Oh my God, see that? Look at that. We're gonna get something here. Y'all, I'm looking at some snook right here. 2 snook. Here's another one, here's another snook right here. There's 2 of them. There's a tarpon. There's a tarpon. Oh, dang. Oh man, that's backwater fishing for you right there. There's one. There's a tarpon. Come here, come here, come here, come here, come here. Yes, on the NLBN, guys, that's what we do it right there. Smoked the NLBN. Smoked it. Yes, sir. Look at that right there, a little tarpon. Let's get another one. Oh, this is why they're eating bait right now. Look at that. Little glass minnow on my lure. That's crazy. That's why they're munching right now. There's one. What is this? Little snook. Yes, sir. No little ones, but I'll take it. Look at that, another little snook. A little guy, but hey, I'll take it right now, honestly. There's one. Another tarpon. Come here, buddy. Yes, sir. Number 2. Sorry if the angle was bad. I apologize for that one. But he whacked it. Whacked that 3-inch NLBN right there, baby. Fish whacking the bait. Another nice little creek tarpon. Let him go here. See you, buddy. All right, y'all. Filming off my phone right now because during this trip I accidentally broke my camera. So right now I have no big camera. I'm just gonna be filming off my iPhone and my GoPros from now on until I get my big camera fixed. I'm just gonna go over the setup I was using in this video real quick. All right, y'all, here's the setup I was using. Reel, pretty basic, 3000 size reel. This one happens to be the Daiwa Ballistic. I haven't had any issues with it. Very lightweight, reliable reel. 15-pound braid. If you guys want some braid at a discounted price, I'll leave a link down in the description below and use that discount code that's also down there at checkout. You guys will get yourself a discount. The rod, it is a Bushido blank, 7.3, 10 to 20 pound. My buddy made me this rod. I am loving it. He's made me a lot of custom rods that you guys seen in the videos. He is a good rod builder. 30-pound leader, and then the lure was the NLBN 3-inch paddle tail with their 1/4 ounce jig head. Not affiliated with that company. I really like their lures. I like using them at inlets in the backwater areas, and it did really well in this video. This one happens to be the Hell Yeah Butter color. They got a bunch of colors on their website. I don't know all the colors' names at the top of my head, but you go check out their website. They got a bunch of colors. Like I said, not affiliated with any lure company. I just like using what works. But that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Sorry for the shorter video. As you see, it's very windy out, so fishing at the moment is tough. Trying to get 2 videos a week out right now. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, do all that good YouTube stuff, social media stuff. That's gonna do it for this one though. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.